Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox the Geepas Rechargeable LED torch with emergency lantern. This rechargeable LED torch with an emergency lantern allows you to keep a light on even when the power goes out in your home. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. This Geepas Rechargeable LED torch with an emergency lantern is easy to use and portable. You can carry it with you wherever you go. This lighting device comes with a user manual. This user manual provides instructions to end users on how to properly and effectively operate the Geepas Rechargeable LED torch with an emergency lantern. This instruction manual is simple to read and very detailed. And it is translated into multiple languages. A warranty card is also included in the box of this lighting device. This warranty period starts at the time of the original purchase of this device by the first end user. This warranty card has a smiling face. You can use this device as a light source outdoors, in places without permanently installed lighting, during power outages, or whenever you need a portable light source. On the sides of this Geepas Rechargeable LED torch with an emergency lantern, you can find the Geepas logo, the on or off switch, and the charge indicator. You can use either the LED emergency light or the LED torch. I find both the LED emergency light and the LED torch so powerful and helpful. At the bottom of this rechargeable LED torch with an emergency lantern, you can find 3 pins, normal round plug. This device operates on an AC supply delivering any input voltage between 220 and 240 voltages, and at a frequency between 50 and 60 Hz, 8 watts. Guys, let's now charge this device. Are you ready? Switch off the device during charging. The charge time for this device is between 6 to 8 hours. The charge indicator lights up to show that the device is under charging. Then, you can use the LED emergency light for about 1 hour, and the LED torch for about 2 hours. The dimension of this device is 65 by 65 by 220 millimeters. Its light and compact design makes it ideal, for example, in the middle of a power outage or having to fix a tire in the dark. Its small size is practical, because you can carry it with you anywhere. The rechargeable battery of this device comes with 4 volts and 1600 mAh. It is a sealed lead-acid rechargeable battery. Here, you can find a list of other features and specifications of the Geepas Rechargeable LED torch with an emergency lantern. Please do not forget to like this video, share this video with friends, leave your comments in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel.